This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
This robot just caught $1 million mistake. Massive. In 3 seconds. Watch. See that red spot? That's a catastrophic failure waiting to happen. But here's the insane part. This four-legged AI doesn't just walk through a massive factory. It hunts for disasters before they happen. No human handler, no safety net. Just pure artificial intelligence protecting critical machinery worth hundreds of millions. Normally, protecting a factory this size, you'd need a team of experts working around the clock. Cost? Millions of dollars per year, and they'd still miss critical failures. But this robot, it sees things humans can't. Heat signatures, microscopic vibrations, even the tiniest air leak costing thousands in wasted energy. And it does it all 24/7, 365 days a year. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. This isn't just a robot, it's an AI powerhouse on legs. Every inspection point, every temperature reading, every vibration analyzed instantly by artificial intelligence. When Michelin first unveiled it, their top engineers couldn't wait to get started. In just 1 week, this robot mapped an entire factory floor, started running autonomous missions, and then it did something unprecedented. 72 work orders, 66 air leaks found, countless potential disasters prevented before they happened, but wait until you see what it discovered in the boiler room. That pattern? That's what the AI sees that humans might miss. Every abnormal temperature spike, every unusual vibration, caught and flagged before it becomes a major problem. But Michelin isn't stopping here, because what you're watching isn't just a robot, it's a glimpse into the future of manufacturing, and they're about to deploy an entire army of these AI guardians. While others talk about AI factories of tomorrow, this robot dog is already revolutionizing them today. One factory at a time. One impossible task at a time. The factory of the future isn't coming. It's already here, walking on 4 legs, powered by AI, and it's just getting started. Want to see more groundbreaking tech that's changing the world right now? Hit subscribe and join us next week when we reveal something even more incredible. The future is happening faster than you think.